Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club, and we are exactly 1 week away from the 2020 election. And we've seen a serious spike in COVID-19 infections, not only in the US, but around the world, which has led to a spike in market volatility. And if you've had your trade triangle alert set for the major indexes that we track, you were alerted Monday that the Dow issued a new red weekly trade triangle when it fell 2%, signaling it might be time for a move to the sidelines. And the S&P 500 and NASDAQ both joined the party today, issuing new red weekly trade triangles, both falling over 2%. We'll start with the S&P 500 today. Currently trading 3,293.20, down 2.8% on the day as we head into afternoon trading, issuing a new red weekly trade triangle at 3,354.54, pushing the chart analysis score to -70, indicating that we are now in a sidelines position for the S&P 500. You'll also note I have my 50-day and 200-day moving averages. All three indexes have moved and made a significant move below their 50-day moving average, which could signal more volatility ahead for the indexes. And something to keep in mind for the S&P 500 heading into the 2016 election, it was down 9 straight sessions, and we all know how that turned out, but it'll all depend on what happens in the 2020 election. So your key level moving forward to watch will be 3,549.85. A move back above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the S&P 500. Take a look at the dollar index, currently up about 0.3% on the day, trading at 93.41. However, chart analysis score remains -65, as we have a red monthly and a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that we're in a long-term downtrend for the US dollar. Key level to watch for the dollar index will be 93.90. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Dow Jones issuing that red weekly trade triangle on Monday at 27,728.03 has fallen pretty much out of bed today, down about 800 points, trading down almost 3% at 26,655.85 as I record this video. Currently, chart analysis score is -70, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the Dow. Key level to watch would be 28,957.90. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the Dow Jones. NASDAQ, like the S&P 500, dipping below its 50-day moving average today, issuing a red weekly trade triangle at 11,124.45, down 3.15% on the day right now, trading just above 11,000, 11,072.34. With a chart analysis score -70, indicating that we are now in a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. Key level to watch should be 11,965.54. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the NASDAQ. Crude oil following suit, losing almost 4% today, trading at 37.17, down with a chart analysis score -100, indicating that we are now in a long-term downtrend for crude oil. Key level to watch should be 39.01. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. Gold following the markets as well as crude oil, down right now 1.4%, trading at 1,881.40, with a chart analysis score -55, indicating that it is in a sidelines position for the foreseeable future, especially trading for the last couple weeks under its 50-day moving average. Key level to watch would be 1,869.10. They would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a potential short-term short position for gold. We'll wrap it up with Bitcoin. It's made the biggest moves of the week, currently up, trading above 13,000 at 13,061.37. However, gained about 5.8% yesterday, losing most of that back today, back to those levels. However, chart analysis scores +90, indicating that we're in a long-term uptrend for Bitcoin. Key level to watch would be 11,175.99. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position. With that, every success. Have a great trading day, and I will be back at the end of the week to give you a market recap.